Tá focal óla sa Gaeilge. Irish has beautiful words, ach tá focal an aisteach inti freisin, but it also has some very strange ones too. Go háirithe nuair labhraíonn muid faoi ainmneacha anmhíthe, especially when we talk about animal names. Sa bhí an seo, branomid ar cuaig anam aisteach anmhí. In this video, we'll look at 5 quirky Irish animal names. Agus feicimid cad is bríló go literal, and we'll look at what they mean literally. Nuair a chluise tú iad, ní dhéanamh tú darmad orthu. Once you hear them, you will not forget them. A railin, a shane, a doe, a tree. Iver hain on Bóín Dé. Number 1, the ladybird. Cílín Bóín Dé, bó, beag, le dia, literal. Bóín Dé literally means God's little cow. Dús beidir go gceapág bhfuil sé sin at. At first you might think that sounds strange. Ach má smaoiníonn tú tá sí beag, crín agus brac. But if you think about it, it is small, round and spotted. Beagán cosúla bó bídach, a bit like a tiny cow. Feictar an Bóín Dé mar symbol an go minic freisin. The ladybird is often also seen as a symbol of good luck. Mar sin, níl an tanam go randomach sin. So, the name doesn't feel so random. Ivre do an Smugairle Róin. Number 2, the jellyfish. Go literal, cílín Smugairle Róin, rud cosúla, smuis Róin. Literally, Smugairle Róin means something like seal snot. Ní hé an tanam is galanta ar daun. It's not the most elegant name in the world. Ach ma ekin tú Smugairle Róin ar an trá. But if you see a jellyfish on the beach, is éasca hiiscint cén fá ar tugu an tanam sin air fadó. It is easy to see why it got that name long ago. Is Kershis an ísisiúil é. It's a very visual description. Agus tá an Gaeilge lán de ainmneacha mar sin. And Irish is full of names just like that. Ivre tree, an Sciathán Leathair. Number 3, the bat. Sa bhrí literal, cílín Sciathán Leathair, etche a bhfuil denta os Leathair. Sciathán Leathair literally means wings made of leather. Agus an áiríre tá cíl umlán le sin. And seriously, that makes perfect sense. Tá Sciathán íoltóga cosúla leathair sínta. A bat's wings look like stretched leather. Mar sin in áit anam nua a chuma, so instead of inventing a completely new name, ní dhéanann an Gaeilge ach cur síos ar a chuma. Irish simply describes what it looks like. An áisiúil ar fad. Very practical altogether. Ivre chathair an Madra Rua. Number 4, the fox. Sa Gaeilge tugtar Madra Rua ar an sionach. In Irish, the fox is called Madra Rua. Focal ar ochel, cílín sé sin Madra atá dearg. Word for word, that means a dog that is red. Arish is Kershis shimply agus díreach é sin. Again, that is a simple and a direct description. Tá cuma Madra vig Rua ar an sionach. A fox looks like a small red dog. Mar sin go díreach an tanam a thugtar air. So that is exactly the name it gets. Nuair smaoiníonn tú mar sin, when you start thinking like that, Irene galore focal in Gaeilge níos éasca le hiiscint. A lot of Irish words become easier to understand. Tá cosúlach le sin in anam ella freisin. There is a similar pattern in another name too. Mar hampla tá Madra Ishka again igor otter. For example, for otter we have Madra Ishka, which means water dog. Agus ivre chuig an Mac Tíre. And number 5, the wolf. Cílín Mac Tíre go literal Mac den talamh seo. Mac Tíre literally means son of this land. Is anam an samúil agus an Leathair é sin. That's a very interesting and a very poetic name. A bhallairt le Madra Rua agus Sciathán Leathair. Unlike red dog or leather wing, níl sé bunathe go díreach ar chuma an anmhí. It's not directly based on the animal's appearance. In áit sin, ceann glíonn sé an tanmhí leis an dúlra. Instead, it connects the animal to nature. Cuireann sé guibhne dún go raibh an Mac Tíre fián. It reminds us that the wolf was wild. Agus buintach leis an talamh agus leis an bhíontas, and connected to the land and the wilderness. Mar sin, cé go bhfuil roinnt ainmneacha an-literal, so while some names are very literal, tá ainmneacha eile níos samhlaithe agus níos fillete. Others are more imaginative and more poetic. Ma éigean tú ar na ainmneacha seo ar fad le chéile. If you look at all of these names together, feicigh tú pátrún soléir. You will notice a clear pattern. Is minic a ainmníonn an Gaeilge rudaí de réir a goma. Irish often names things by their appearance. De réir an rud a bhabhraíonn siad de dhaoine, by what they remind people of. No, de réir mar chonaic daoine sa saol léithúil, or by how people saw them in everyday life. Mar sin, in áit ainmneacha tebi, so instead of abstract names, fáinne tú ainmneacha fiisiúla agus dódhearmata. You get visual and memorable names. Agus sin ceann de na fána a bhfuil an Gaeilge chomh suimiúil sin. And that is one of the many reasons why Irish is so interesting. Mar sin, sin cúig ainm aisteach an-bhí sa Gaeilge. So those are 5 quirky animal names in Irish. Agus nuair thugann tú faoi deara iad, and once you start noticing them, feicigh tú an cinál pátrún seo ar fud na teanga. You will see this kind of patterns across the language. Agus más mála dúshláán a chur rótain. And if you'd like to challenge yourself, tá leagan clachtaí agus leagan lán Gaeilge den ísean seo, I've made an Irish practice and a full Irish version of this video ar fáil ag an nasc híos, available at the links below. Go dtíon cé ceann eile, slán go fóill, a Shane, a dó, a trí.